Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Caitlin and I'm a licensed hairdresser. So this is my best friend Reese. We're doing her hair today. She is letting her roots grow out, so we're not doing any color because she's embracing the Hailey Bieber blonde brunette vibes, but we are putting in extensions to add a little bit of color and length, of course. So right now I'm just notching her ends to just make them not so blunt, so that way there's no shelves whenever I'm applying her extensions. So there's three main sections I like to divide off whenever I'm doing extensions, and that is the two sides and the back, of course. So I like to start down in the nape, and she doesn't wear her hair up like in a high ponytail very often at all, so I'm able to put them lower, but I also wanted to apply them lower because she has short hair, so I needed to blend that shelf under there. And oh my god, I don't know what's going on with my time lapse right now. That's super fast. But before I started applying the extensions, I kind of pushed up the back of her hair to see where her cowlicks fall, and I just made sure to apply them beneath where those part. And then on the sides, I'm making sure to at least do 1 to 2 finger lengths away from the face, and then filling in any like gaps or corners on the sides as well. So this is what it looks like with all the tape-ins applied without the cut. So you can really see how important the cut is here because the bottoms just look like Lego blocks ending at different lengths, and then you can see where her top layer falls, and then there's just like a shelf, and then the bottom where the extensions fall. So I like to have my clients stand up when I cut their extensions to make sure that everything is nice and even, and I like to cut them with a feather razor and then go back and check with my shears, and I take their longest piece around their face and then start a face frame into the extensions to blend that, and then do some surface layering as well. So I wanted to add in a shot with the extension straight to show you that extensions can definitely blend straight with short hair. And so I think that the face frame was really what made it, because you can literally see where her natural layers blend in with the extensions seamlessly. And this is the finished look with beach waves. We are just long-haired girls at heart, and I feel like adding extensions just takes your look to the next level and gives you like a full glam look, and obviously it just makes you feel 10 notches bitchier. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like videos like these, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.